And therefore, SinoSure is, a good way to say, well, listen, I understand you guys need cash, so go to a bank or go to a factory and get your 80% advance at the bill of lading, but and get it backed by SinoSure. But you can't put all the risk on me, right? Now, fundamentally, the equation of whether they accept terms or not comes down to very simple mechanics. Number one, do you have good credit worthiness? Do they trust you? Do they have a relationship with you? All of those are factors. But the second bit is like, can they afford to operate without the cash up front, right? What if they can't get the cash? That liquidity problem is a big, fat, hairy issue for me. And by having conversations about SinoSure, you can suss that out. And maybe that's a reason to look for alternatives right there alone. You do not want factories that are so hand to mouth that one or two bad things happen to them and they're out of business.